understood this correctly, when you say that there is no good or bad karma, it is very Newtonian that every act will have an equal and opposite reaction. So every act is good so long as, and every act will produce a consequence. So long as we are ready to accept the consequence, every act is neutral. Neither is it accruing anything good in my account, nor is it accruing anything bad in my account.
Exactly.
They all bear a consequence.
You are right. Exactly, you are right. If you are able to accept the consequences of your action, it is good for you. Current situation is we act, but we are not ready to accept the consequences of our acts. That is the problem. So, in that way, she is perfectly right. If you do whatever you wish to do, and you are ready to accept the consequences of that act, it's good, it's divine. You can put AK-47 here and shoot, then someone stand up and shoot you. It's okay. That is the consequence. Anybody can protect himself, law can work, anything can happen. You did your act and you are ready to accept the consequence. And there is no suffering. In this way, there is no suffering. Main suffering is we act and we don't accept the consequence. I want to abuse you, and in return I want love. नीम बोकर आम चाहते हैं, ये सफरिंग है. तो ठीक है, हमने आपको एब्यूज किया तो हम रेडी हैं, आप मुझे स्लैप कर सकते हैं. हमने नीम बोया है, बबूल बोया है तो बबूल आएगा. That is the way, and that is the realization. Actually, the height of that understanding is enlightenment.
So, do we also carry karmas from our past birth? The prarabdha concept.
If we are attached, then we carry. Actually, we carry. If we think that I did this, that was my karma, then I carry it. At any point, if we realize this was simply a dream, karma simply happened out of no reason, that was not in my control, it happened out of nowhere, you are free, you are not carrying that burden. That is the case, anybody can become free at any moment. Otherwise, there is no possibility. Otherwise, there is no possibility of freedom.
Disabled and diseased children, why do they carry these diseases right at their time of birth?
We never ask this question, why these children are healthy. They are...
Well, that's a natural state of being.
We think that is... But that is the natural state. I said, this is life of duality. If there is pain, there will be pleasure. Accept this. This is the...
In fact, I would go to the extent of saying that pleasure derives its significance from pain. If there was no pain, pleasure would have no place in it.
This is duality. This is nature of duality. Both things. You can say things both way. Both way. Both way. This is life of duality and the spiritual realization of non-duality. Just standing behind the scene of duality. If I am happy, I never ask question, I am happy, why I am happy? Things are going my way, we never ask, why things are going my way? We never ask this question. We should ask this question, why things are going my way? But when things don't go my way, why they are not going my way? That is the problem actually. Mystery is same. When things are going your way, that is the complete mystery. When things are not going your way, that is the complete mystery. When you are healthy, that is the complete mystery. When you are not healthy, you are diseased, that is the complete mystery. But our question is one-dimensional, monodirectional. Question should be two-dimensional, multi-directional. If we ask the multi-directional questions, there will be actually no suffering. We will accept both things and they are all the time. हम कुछ अच्छा करेंगे तो कभी नहीं कहेंगे कि हमने क्यों अच्छा किया. ये हमसे कुछ गलत हो जाए तो हम कहेंगे ये मैंने क्यों किया, क्योंकि जिस सोर्स ने अच्छा किया था उसी सोर्स ने गलत किया. सिंपल आंसर. That same source did the good act and that same source did the bad act. Everything is happening out of that same source. But why? It is the way of life. Anything else?
Why has mankind moved away from its source? Why is there this entropy from orderliness to disorderliness?
It's again part of Leela. You go away, then you return back. That is the realization of the source. Realization. Source of the consciousness, the source energy realizing itself again. You go away and you return. It's like going away from your home and returning to your home. That is more accurate and more blissful, more powerful. That is the way, actually. It goes on.
Why was there ever a need to have this earth and have people and have so many living beings and then connect with the source? Why just could we not remain connected with the source? And why was the creation of this earth and human beings necessary?
Who said it was necessary?
Why does this exist? Why is this Leela? Why is this projected reality?
Why?
Why? I mean, is God playing some kind of a video game with us? Isko maar deta hu, isko bacha leta hu, isko aage बढ़ा देता हूँ. Why is this happening? Why are we a part of God's video game?
Actually, we are not part of God's video game. The question becomes so complicated here. God's video game, we see someone is programming us. Nobody is programming us. It's nature of life. It's nature of consciousness. Why question is irrelevant. It is like this. There is no answer of why. Again, my fundamental question. We should ask that question which brings peace.
Company, when I get employed by a company, I must know why am I employed, in what role to, what am I put there to do? So understanding what am I put here to really do, and why did this all have to happen?
You have to function with your total potential. That's all. That's all. And only you know your total potential. Nobody else.
But potential is also elastic, it expands. I wasn't born with the same potential. At one point I learned to barely crawl, then I learned to walk, then I learned to run.
Yeah. It is always relative. It's always in a relative terminology, potential. But in the moment, not in the terms of past, not in the term of future, in the moment. In this moment, your total potential is asking question and feeling the peace. In this moment. You are using, and you should word is not correct, but if I am allowed to use this word, you should use your total potential to feel the peace of this atmosphere, and you are putting question, your total potential in this question, in this moment, and again in that moment the potential will take its shape and its form and its throw. It will take. It is the way. Actually, here if people have gathered from many places, what is the total potential to feel the bliss? Not anything else. If we talk about trivial things, if we talk about anything, we are wasting our time. The real intelligent person who is here, that person will try to utilize this moment. That is the question. Why? Why am I here? It is same. Answer is same. Why am I here in this life? Answer is same. Why am I here in this moment, in this gathering? The texture, the flavor, the essence of answer is the same. So if we are here, so let there be peace. Let there be bliss. And someone will feel it and someone will not feel it. True potential, the realization of true potential is the realization of the moment. If you are having a cup of tea, true potential is the enjoying that tea. That's all. Not giving a discourse on the tea, not uh, thinking about the tea or
Comparing it
analyzing
with the previous teas.
previous teas. It's complete and total.